kid.
Yeah, look forward for the Crusaders to win anyway. Look forward to a big pre-season, and we're going to be better than come back better next year. So that should be good, and be a new crop of players sort of thing. Sort of a lot of old guys leaving, so but no, it'd be good. Time for a change, and we look forward to it. Yeah, so for now we constantly ran up and down Reserve Bank.
How many times?
We probably did about 11 times, 10 to 12 times, and yeah, it was a nightmare, especially for us big guys going up those stairs. I think I was swearing every second level, so I was going up. But no, it was good. The best feeling finishing at the end. But yeah, no, it was good. The boys, more so for mental toughness. And,
So it was just individuals, or
we went as
team
teams.
effort?
Yeah, team effort.
So how did it work?
Okay, so there was a few buckets up at the top. There was 4 teams, and everyone had a rock, so you had to take it up. The rock was at the bottom. You had to pick it up and take it to the top. So yeah, no, it was good.
Who won?
Boys, we won, and my team, the pink team. We were the pink team. Yeah, we won. We're
You're not making this up.
I'm not making this truthful. I don't tell fibs.
You don't?
So, no,
Not at all.
truth, man. So yeah, got the yeah, we won. About 100 rocks we took up there, so I was happy days. Yeah, it's good.
Now, Mario All Blacks, Elliot Dixon, he came in for the game and we had an interview with him, and he said, whenever you get the ball in Super Rugby and you're running towards him, he'll just clear it away. Do you think a lot of games do that?
No, well, either that or I stink or something. Because I know I'm not quick.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know. They just maybe I've got something on me that they don't want to touch. So. But no, it's Elliot Dixon had a good season.
You're a big guy.
Hey?
You're a big guy.
Oh yeah, I know. Maybe I'm just. They just see my face. Think, what an ugly guy! I don't want to tackle him. So yeah, just take it how it comes. And yeah, no, it's I've been fortunate enough to make a few breaks this year with Crusaders during the game. But no, old Elliot Dixon they did well this year, and they won well. Ireland, so they deserved much deserved title. Oh, mate, look, we've got every right to be confident, and we've prepared well. We know it's going to be a tough game, so we were confident within the squad and within the environment. But look, we're going to go in there and just do very well and stick to our game plan that we've been working really hard on the last few weeks. Never get sick of that movie. It's an old cartoon.
Yeah.
90, only the 90s kids
You
would
can
know.
do
80s
the
kids.
main song there, maybe?
There's a song, yeah, it goes, can you feel the love tonight? That's all I know. Oh, and there's another one.
Yeah.
There's Hakuna Matata. Means no worries for the rest of your days.
So that's your favorite movie, or just?
No, that and Home Alone. It's another child. I don't know. I'm just a big kid, really, so I like that sort of old school music. Yeah, poor fella. Don't know what he's doing now, but yeah, he's doing. Yeah, that was my favourite movie, so it's pretty cool. UB40. I think they're everyone.
Which song in particular?
Wedding Day.
Wedding Day.
Where were you on my wedding? Not that I've married, but
So what?
it probably will happen to me if I don't watch it. Probably never happens, but yeah.
Can you sing that for us? This will be going around the world.
Oh, okay. So it goes, where were you on my wedding day? I've heard that the news that you went away. Yeah. Oh, listen, we just want to say thank you so much for your support. It was to be here, and going to the World Cup. We couldn't have done it without you guys. It's been a long 4 years. We weren't even qualified, or we weren't, we didn't have a spot secured up until last year. So, look, we just want your support. Whether we win or lose, or we know we're going to go out there and do our best. that's all we can ask from each other as a squad. But we know that with the support and help that you guys have done for us, we're going to go out there and do well.
This is my final question. There's been a lot of talk about the intense training sessions that the Fiji team has gone through. What has been the most intense for you? Because knowing you have been in the Crusaders setup.
Yeah, probably I think just the training in the mud. And long, big fitness sessions. We had a big tough one last week. That was probably the toughest one we've had so far. And yeah, just a long slog for.
What did you do?
Oh, just continuous running and rugby drills and tackling and on continuous basis. So that was pretty tough. But no, it was all good. That mentally is going to be good for us. So crucial going into this World Cup. And yeah, look, we needed that. So yeah, we can't wait.
Ready to score tries in England?
Hopefully, if the 5'8s give it to me, I probably might score a few, but we'll see how we go. Josh and Benny. There you go. Cheers, mate.